afternoon, everyone. I'm Che from Kajima Technical Research in Singapore. Today's the talking point is I'm actually not the expert of the AI, and I just is one of the research in construction company, and then actually I is know the AI is around 30 years ago. The time I was in university, and then my professor give the one is a program. The program name is a neural network. The time is I first time know what is the neural network. The time is everyone don't say about AI, and then I study about some the neural network, and I try to some the challenge to solve some problem. And then I understand that the neural network is very good solution to decide someone's the decision. But actually, as the engineer, the precision is not good. And then my professor say, "Oh, you are engineer. You need to reach the precision around 95%, 96%." But at that time the answer from the neural network just 70%, 80%. And then I think that and I feel that that time the neural network is very high potential to using the some the program, and using the some the solve the program and the program. After that, I stopped the study of the AI, because I just joined my company Kajima, and then our company is very have advanced the institute of the research, and then do some the development of the new technology, but still our the company is mostly the engineering company, and then our company need more high precision, and then also we don't have enough data to make the data set for training of the AI, and then the AI is not so popular to use in our construction industry at that time. After that recently 3 years ago, and then I also the study about the deep learning and then machine learning, and also re-understand also I wanted to try to our the development the AI the system, and. Okay, and today I more the shared with you about our current development, and also I want to share for the AI expert what is our actual the demand to use use the AI system in our development process. Read some the case study. Okay. Before that, let me allow to introduce our company first, just as promotion. And our company has many the global regional the office. In Singapore, we have the Kajima the Research Institute, and then I belong to the Singapore R&D Center. Also in Singapore, we have the construction team from 1918, and then we have many the footprint in Singapore. And also, this is one of the topics in our the technical center doing now. And then in Singapore, we start our the research center from the 2013. And as you know, you can walk today 10 minutes we have the new is the Alan Center in Changi Business Park. And in Singapore, we have these 5 topics to in Singapore. And then we are also we have the good the facility in our new building. Please visit if you have time, and we can share our the new building and the laboratory to you. Okay, and I go into our today's main topic. Yes, we have many the robotic system developed in Japan, and I think so you have already the understand and know many the company is bring there is a robotic system construction robot in the building environment sector. And then the Japanese contractors already developed the many robotic system from the 1918. And then Kajima also developed several robotic system. For example, the remote control, tower crane, and the welding, and the fire spreading. It's all kind of the single task robot we already developed. But the problem is our challenging is we develop as the first step at the prototype in laboratory. But the difficult things how we can deploy this robot system in actual site. That means we more improve our first prototype robot system can use in actual environment. This is one of the key points how you can adapt AI system in our robot solutions. For example, our the process of the development of the robotic system. There are several process. First one is we research what kind of the demand we have in our actual site and what kind of the environment they need to improve the change for this robotics. And after that, we need go into the development of the actual robot system. After that, we bring the robot to the actual site, and we improve the robot to use in our the subcontractor, our actual worker. But still, all this process cannot go through to the end of the actual the work the end user, because the robot system is just the make the mechatronics and the program and some sensing system. But the whole system is actually cannot very difficult to integrate as one of the actual system. And then we need more the need to control the robot itself in actual the site environment. And for example, this is one of the development is a case in Singapore. You know that actually we falling the concrete. The slab concrete, we need to the smooth the surface of the concrete with this kind of the machine. We call this machine is a tooling machine. The tooling machine is the drive by some operator. Usually the operator need to the 10 or 20 years experience to complete this operation. And then we analyzing what kind of the things to do by this operator. Operator is many several things is to do simultaneously in the operation, and we can define the 3 parts. First one is the operator is control the machine by the stick. And then the operator is need to control the engine and the slaughter, and also he need to is the control the some at the propeller of the machine. And then second is the task. He also need to understand the situation of the concrete. He decide how he is the control the machine based on the situation of the concrete. But the concrete itself is very flexible material, and then very difficult to understand the process of the concrete inside the concrete, not only its surface. And they decide the situation based on their experience. Experience means that they understand the temperature and the humidity, and then process of the falling. All is the understand, and they decide all is the situation, how it is operating the machine. And the third one is the final one is there is a decision. Which time is they start the machine, and which time they stop the machine. What kind of situation is the reach the final quality. All kind of things he need to decide, understand his judgment. This is a very complex the process for the operation. And then we try to make the machine robot to do all things. Okay, and then this is one of our previous the project to develop the robotic system for the trolling. And the first one, we replaced all the machine control by the motor and actuator, and then we make the control system to control the machine. Second one is as I mentioned, we need to understand the concrete itself, not only the control of the machine. And we developed the sensor to sensing the process of the hardening process of the concrete. And then the sensor is the very specific one, because previously we used the manual machine. That time the human is one of the sensor. And then we have noise sensing system to understand the hardening process inside the concrete. And we developed this sensor from scratch. And the third one is the most the difficult part. The machine itself has their own work, but actually we have no the model how to work the machine by the human control. And we build up the model to simulate the machine based on our control of the signal. And then we try again based on our actual data to make the model. And we make the sum at the parameter to drive on the concrete without any the slipping, and then overcome some of the obstructor. And then after that, we combine the three parts to build up the robotic system. And this is the video, and then we try to on the actual concrete. The upper one is the situation of the remote control. And we do remote control, and we collect data. How is the deflect, and how is action the robot by the control signal. And we collect data, and we input the data in our simulation. And after that, we analyze the all data, and we make the clear the noise, and we input the automation as machine. The below one is the automated control by the automated control is the situation. As you can see, is the almost the same the movement is doing. Two is the different is the operation system, but actually we is after we is the analyzing data, we understand several is noise is still in the on the is the automate the moving is the process. And now we are trying to how to more is the reduce the error by this the automate the robotic system. Also, we want to try. We have already as many as the data is we collected, and we want to is make the some the platform to use the AI system to is the more is the high level is the control of the machine. Okay, and then second is the case study. This one is we developed in Japan, and then this one is very similar is the concept, and we converted the heavy equipment system to controlled by the automate the control. And this one is I think is the most advanced technology is to control the heavy equipment system in actual site. We already is deployed this system in actual dam as a project. And this one is not only is the control the machines by automatic is a system. We also is make our own is the sequence. How is we can control the fleet system. Based on the certain is a process is the rule. This is a very important is point, and we make the some the process control, and also we have the quality control based on this is the system. And the second one is yes, always the construction robot is very is assembled system. Not only is one is technology can make the one robot. We is need to is involved many kind of the technology. And then, for example, this is our is a laboratory, and we have many kind of the robot in there. And our is the current is challenge. How we can is integrate many is technology in one is system. For example, we are now is developing some the factory system with some robotic arms and the pactor, and also we is to make our own is a digital twin system to is the simulate the whole system. This involved the sensing system and data analyzing, and all kind of the technology is necessary. And we is also is to make some platform and based on the laws to is control the whole system. And the last one is this one is not as a technical things. This one is more is important for is how to is make the value with the robotic system. And when we is bring to the robot to the outside, they say, oh, this is well working, and this is can is improve our productivity. That means we need to is evaluate robotic system. What is the value to the stakeholders? Stakeholder means not only is the subcontractor, general contractor, also include the client and also robot vendor. All kind of the ecosystem need to is understand the value. After that is we can is deploy our robotic system in actual site. And now we make some evaluation system. The robot itself, not only is the productivity improvement, we also is the need to understand the value for the safety, value for the social the demand kind of the things. For example, this one is one of the robot from China. And at first we is analyze the whole is the process of the working process. After that we is set up the parameter for the evaluation. For example, macro and meso and macro the micro and macro is the point. And we is make the point for each the score for each the items, and we is finally is give the whole is the possibility and the whole is the value to the all as stakeholders. Okay.